Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your default Word document to be A3 paper size going into the future for current and future for the default. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Layout tab, and then where it says Page Setup, click the little arrow to expand the selection to open up additional page options. And select the Paper tab, so go ahead and select that. And where it says Paper Size, click on the drop down and select A3. And then you want to select where it says Apply To, make sure Whole Document, and then select where it says Set as Default. Do you want to change the default settings for page setup? Select Yes, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.